Yep, people, you don't know it's your boy Grizzly Bear out there. I represent for dancehall reggae vibes. You don't know? Yeah, beer vibes over here, so. So right now we have to talk about the artist here. He's a DJ, singer, also a singer. You know what I mean? And this is history in the making. I want to say history in the making. You know what I mean? When you think about music and you think about impurities or an individual not having one of the senses. You know what I mean? But yet still is so talented to rock the world. You know what I mean? Big up Stevie Wonder, the first blind act. You know what I mean? What we know about. You see me and say, you don't know, big up to the man there. But right now we are talking about Nigy Boy we are talking about. You know what I mean? Because that youth make it can reflect. You see me I say in the whole history of music, yeah, Jamaica, we did it again. Big up yourself, Nigy Boy, and right as people, the reggae singer, you know what I mean? Yeah man, rock it on the Reggae Summer stage. And when I talk about rocket, you know, Sumfest stage is not a stage where easily go upon. You see me I say, you know just reach from that stage just like that, like boop. You have to put in the work over the years and it's acknowledged. More time it come like it's an audition or action for your artist appear upon all them stage there. You see me I say, so people, if you're here for the first time, you know what I mean, you know the vibes. It's your boy Grizzly Bear. So would I love if you like, subscribe, and share that video for me. You don't know what dancehall reggae vibes, I will bring you the vibes. You hear me talk. Yeah man, so Nigy Boy, man rock it. Sumfest stage, you know what I mean? In a catching all, I don't know, I'm gonna be that.
We congratulate you. Continue to do what you're doing, Nigy. And of course, what do you want to say to your fellow Montagonians?
Before I say any words, let me say something like this. Let me do it like this. Clear on my throat too, you know. Mobia go so father! That is it, man. You know it already.
You see me? And the outfit, yeah, people, when I look on the glasses, I can see in a future I'm a look. You see me I say, and it's not a man from Earth. You know what I mean? One of them space people, you see me I say, where intellect surpass the norm because you cannot see, but you have the voice to rock the world. You see me I say, yeah, you want big up yourself, brother. It's a different type of vibration. So you see the dress code different. It indicates a different type of vibration. You see me I say, so down at Sumfest, Nigy Boy never deal with them normal. You know what I mean? Look right as so. And look right as so too. Tell me what you think. The vibes lick him. Watch your man. The vibes lick him. He love it. He lick him say, Will. Yeah, but right, they say the people are beer vibes. You know what I mean? So he was honored. You know what I mean? He was honored at the end of his performance. You see me I say, all agree that it was, you know what I mean, indeed a youth step. You know what I mean? It was a youth step. You know what I mean? For the visual impaired artist. You see me I say, big step. And sometime up in the year, you know, say they get one next honorary for him accomplishments in the university. You know what I mean? So Nigy Boy, bro, just continue on the pathway there. Continue do the things that you are doing. Keep on creating these hit songs. You know what I mean? Because every song hit. Continental Bass, Fly Down Like a Eagle, Karma. The one that them sing for your mother. The whole of the song them hit. Everyone hit. You see me I say? We can also have a conversation so you can comment down there, say, you know what I mean? So we can relate and talk with you and chat with you. You see me I say, anything where you like me to talk about, you can also, you know what I mean? Put it right down there, say, in a comment, same speed. You see me I say, yeah, Nigy Boy, go and big up yourself, management team. Wanna big up on yourself. Sumfest, the curators, big up on yourself. You hear me talk? Yeah, man, so, you know it's your boy Grizzly Bear, and I'm out.